Hello everyone, we are very excited to present to you our newest extruder, the ExOn C3. The C on the ExOn C3 stands for compact, because this extruder is very short and compact. It's especially made for plastic fabricators. The small size is a big advantage there. The maximum output of the ExOn C3 is 3.3 kg per hour. We can weld PE, PP, PVDF and PVC materials with this extruder. When you get the ExOn C3 from BIK, we have to install the lamp first. Just plug it in like this. Then we can screw on the handles. The preheat nozzle is screwed on like this. You also have to decide which welding shoe you want. 2 welding shoes are included with your ExOn C3 order. We have a big range of different welding shoes. Just let us know which one you need. If you need assistance finding the correct welding shoe for your application, just let us know and we are happy to help you. Now that we have everything ready, we can turn on the extruder. Just plug it in and it will start heating up the mass temperature for your adjusting setting. We will weld PE in our example. Therefore, we choose 230 degrees Celsius for our mass temperature. For the air temperature, we choose 250 degrees Celsius and activate it. The mass temperature will start heating automatically. The air temperature needs activating with upper bottom. We can adjust the airflow as well. We will use maximum airflow on our welding. The output is adjustable with the lower potentiometer. We will use the maximum output. As soon as everything is heated up completely, the lamp will turn on and we are ready. Here is the welding rod feeder where we put in the welding rod. To have a good welding, we need to warm up our welding shoe first. Once we have done that, we are ready to start welding. Let's go! As you were able to hear, the ExOn C3 is less noisy than other extruders. This makes it very comfortable to work with. Because we have so much airflow, you can weld much faster compared with other extruders. But because the high airflow, it is possible by some applications, as example by fillet welding, that the air is coming back to your hand. If you feel too hot on your hand and it's uncomfortable, we recommend gloves or to turn back the airflow. We have many different accessories that you can use with the ExOn C3. One is the guiding carriage for fillet seam. This helps you to maintain the same angle while welding fillet seams. With the clamp balancer, you can hang up the extruder on a cord. Especially for in-house welding, that's a very practical accessory. Of course, we also have a revolving head for the ExOn C3, like we have for all the other extruders too. With this you will be able to turn around the welding shoe 360 degrees. With an additional angle revolving head, you also can work in an angle of 45 or 90 degrees. If you would like more information about the different accessories, just let us know and we will be happy to help you. The new ExOn C3 is available now. Send us an email for a quote.